quantum computing stocks have seen an extraordinary surge in prices over the past few months. As an Nvidia stock investor, I often get asked whether I'm worried about quantum computing potentially disrupting Nvidia's leadership in accelerated computing. Am I concerned as an Nvidia shareholder? Not at all. In fact, I believe Nvidia is positioning itself to be a dominant player in quantum computing when the technology becomes mainstream. Let me break down how Nvidia is approaching this revolutionary field. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. This channel is your go-to source for everything stock market related. Now, let's get into Nvidia's involvement in quantum computing. About a month ago, Nvidia released a video titled Developing the Workforce for the Quantum Computing Revolution on their Nvidia developer channel. While the video only garnered about 3,000 views, it contains valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities in quantum computing. The video highlights the differences between quantum computing and classical computing and addresses the bottlenecks currently hindering the field. For Nvidia, the focus has always been on enabling computing revolutions, starting with scientific computing, followed by deep learning, generative AI, and now laying the groundwork for quantum computing. One key bottleneck in quantum computing is the workforce. The field lacks enough physicists, engineers, developers, mathematicians, and other specialists required to advance quantum computing technology. This gap highlights the need for significant investment in education and workforce development to drive progress in the sector. Nvidia has already begun addressing this challenge by bridging the gap between classical and quantum computing through hybrid computing systems. This approach combines quantum processors, known as QPUs, with classical hardware like GPUs and CPUs. Nvidia's hybrid computing solutions aim to enable seamless integration between the two paradigms, laying the foundation for a gradual transition to quantum computing. The company has developed CUDA Quantum, a programming model similar to CUDA for GPUs. CUDA Quantum provides libraries and tools to accelerate the development of hybrid quantum classical applications. Nvidia's focus on software infrastructure mirrors its earlier success with CUDA, which revolutionized the AI and GPU markets. By investing early in this space, Nvidia is ensuring it remains the go-to company for quantum computing solutions. Nvidia is also working on hardware solutions like DGX Quantum, which combines the Grace Hopper superchip with quantum control systems. This hardware bridges classical and quantum computing, enabling applications in a hybrid environment. Nvidia's partnerships with industry leaders like Google, as seen in projects involving Google's quantum processors, further solidify its leadership in this space. Beyond hardware and software, Nvidia is exploring cloud-based quantum computing solutions. Similar to its success in GPU-powered cloud services, Nvidia aims to provide quantum computing capabilities through cloud platforms in the future. This diversified approach positions Nvidia as a leader across the entire quantum ecosystem, from hardware to software to cloud infrastructure. Despite these advancements, quantum computing remains in its infancy. As discussed in my recent video on Google's quantum chip, the technology is still in the research and development phase. Mainstream applications for quantum computing are likely 5 years or more away. For now, I'm not worried about quantum computing disrupting Nvidia's business. Instead, I see Nvidia as a key player poised to lead this revolution when the time comes. Personally, I'm not investing in quantum computing stocks at the moment. While the sector is exciting, it's still in its early stages, with many challenges to overcome. Stock prices in this space may continue to rise, but like any industry, quantum computing will experience cycles, potentially offering better buying opportunities in the future. Right now, my focus is on technologies like artificial intelligence, which are already transforming industries and are powered by Nvidia's AI chips. Thanks for tuning in to this breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.